It's here. How you doing? It's your girl Dad coming back at it again with another video. What a wonderful world. Look, it's a crocodile! What a wonderful world. How you doing? It's your chica Deborah coming part trust for no unboxing. So this baby came in the mail today, and if you didn't see the title, this is the iMac 21.5-inch computer. And for those of you who are wondering, the specs are right here. So let's open this bad boy up. Hold up. Before we start unboxing, I just want to say thank you, Mom and Dad, for gifting me this amazing gift, for doing everything for me, everything that you can do for me. Thank you for supporting me in everything that I do. I love you guys so much, to the moon and back, and the moon and back, and then back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. I love you guys so much, and just thank you. Now you can unbox it. Go ahead. Go watch the video. It's okay. Yeah, go ahead. There! Okay. There. Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay, so right here, in here, is the keyboard, I believe, and the mouse. I thought that was going to be more graceful. So this is what it looks like turned on. Sexiest thing you've ever seen. You can't change my mind. And here is Safari. Look how amazing that looks. So amazing. So down here, we have this very typity keyboard. And that very slickety mouse. Wait, are those AirPods? It comes with AirPods. Alright, so here I'm going to show you how you can get free AirPods. First thing you need to do is you need to look up Apple Education Store. Then when you get there, just shop like you normally would. Look for what iPad you want, what MacBook you want, or whatever iMac you want. Pick your model, pick what specs you want, what storage. One thing I forgot to mention is that when you go through this website, it gives you like $100 off regular price. Now here's where you are given the option to get free AirPods. The free ones are the ones that come with the charging case, and then you can buy the wireless charging case for $40 or the AirPod Pros for $90. Then when you go to checkout, you will be able to see that you got subtracted $159, which that's what costs the regular AirPods with charging case. And yeah, so they came out free, and there's how you can get free AirPods. You can also add an engraving to your AirPods, like an emoji. You can add your name on them, your last name, whatever. If you don't want an engraving, it's fine. And also, engravings are free if you didn't know. So here's a quick 15-second AirPods unboxing. Enjoy! Anyways, thank you for watching this unboxing, and again, I am so grateful for you, Mom and Dad. Thank you for everything that you do for us. I am so thankful and grateful. I love you guys so much, and just thank you for this gift and just for everything. So, espero que les gustó. I'm just playing. Espero que les gustó este video. Porque it's an iMac. O sea. And if you want to see me customizing this Mac, make sure you hit that bell and you subscribe. So I'll see you next Friday. Adios!